In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Sheets as a PDF. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable document that looks consistent on any device, perfect for reports, invoices, or anything you want to lock in place. First, open your web browser and go to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you work with multiple profiles. At the top right, click the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps menu, and it gives you quick access to all your Google tools. From that menu, click on Sheets to open Google Sheets. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the list or use the search bar in the Apps menu. Once Sheets opens, find and open the spreadsheet you want to save as a PDF. Double-check you're on the correct tab at the bottom of the file, because the export will follow the content you're viewing and the settings you choose. It helps to give your spreadsheet a clear title beforehand, since that name is usually used for the PDF file. Now look to the top left of the screen and click File. In the drop-down, hover over or click Download. This is where you can grab different versions of your sheet for offline sharing. Choose PDF.pdf. When you do, a preview and settings panel will appear so you can fine-tune how your PDF will look. Take a moment to review these options. You can pick the paper size and orientation, like portrait or landscape, so wide tables don't get cut off. Adjust the scaling to fit all columns on one page or keep the original size for maximum clarity. You can set margins, decide whether to show grid lines and notes, and choose to export just the current sheet or the entire workbook. Use the page breaks in the preview to make sure important rows or charts aren't split awkwardly. Small tweaks here can save you from having to redo it later. When everything looks right, click Export. Your browser will download the PDF to your default downloads location, or it may ask you where to save it. If the file name isn't exactly what you want, you can rename it as it saves or right after. Open the PDF to confirm the layout, fonts, and charts appear as expected. If something isn't perfect, go back to Sheets, adjust the export settings, and export again. That's all you need to reliably turn a Google Sheet into a polished PDF, ready to share, print, or archive.